In this video, I'm going to show you how to run an uncleared check report in QuickBooks Online using the new interface, so you can quickly identify payments that still haven't cleared the bank during reconciliation. Start from the left menu and go to Transactions, then open Chart of Accounts and find the specific checking account you're reconciling. In the Action column, open the drop-down next to View Register and choose Run Report to generate an account-level report automatically. Once it loads, set the report period at the top to the exact statement range you're reviewing, because the date range controls what shows up. Now click Filter, choose Add Another Filter, select Cleared, and set it to show only items marked Uncleared or Not Cleared, depending on your view. Apply the filter and the report will refresh to display only outstanding checks in that time period. From here, you can click any amount to drill into the transaction, verify the payee, date, and memo, and confirm whether it's truly outstanding or simply recorded incorrectly. If something you expect is missing, recheck the date range, confirm it was entered as a check, and make sure it wasn't already cleared and reconciled. Subscribe for more QuickBooks tips that make reconciliation faster and your reports more accurate.